Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by running an elevated PowerShell. This is required because system-wide files and registry keys need admin rights. Once you have admin shell, list packages using Choco list L so you know what to remove. Then uninstall each package with Choco uninstall package Y. Make sure to remove service-related packages first. You do this now because leaving packages installed can leave orphaned files and registry entries that block a clean Chocolatey removal later. Next, stop any Windows services or scheduled tasks that reference Chocolatey. If a service locks files, deletion will fail. Then remove the /program data /Chocolatey folder. Use remove item recurse force in PowerShell to ensure hidden files go too. After files are gone, edit system environment variables. Remove Chocolatey home or Chocolatey environment entries and delete Chocolatey bin paths from path. You do this to prevent leftover executables from resolving and to clean shell behavior going forward. Finally, clean registry keys. Check HKLM/software and HKCU for Chocolatey entries and delete them carefully. Backup keys first. Once registry and files are removed, reboot the machine and confirm Choco returns, command not found or similar. If Choco still appears, use Process Explorer to find processes locking files, stop those processes, and repeat deletion. This step ensures no lingering executables or services restart, and that your system is fully free of Chocolatey artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.